Day 16, we're going to have a holiday by the beach. We're going to do Mermaid, or also known as side stretch. So we're going to take the arm up overhead. Now you have a lot of different options here. You can have the arm in this position, but if you find that your arm kind of waves around like a bit of seaweed, you can basically imagine you pushing your hand up against the wall, and that will help to give you that beautiful frame. The other thing you can do, if it's not comfortable for your shoulder here, is you can put your hand around your ear and create like a little teapot handle. And if that is still not comfortable, you can always cross it over the front. So Mariella's just going to choose whatever feels the most comfortable for her. Beautiful. Now, it's important here that your ribs are sitting back over your pelvis and they're not flaring forward. If you find that this is uncomfortable for you, you can do it in cross-legged or sitting in a kneeling position like this. Now we're going to imagine that we've got a beautiful sort of handmade shutters, and we're going to open those handmade shutters on the inhale. Your other hand is just going to support you on the floor, and then as you exhale, you're going to close the shutters again and face the front. And we're going to inhale, we're going to open the ribs, and we're going to exhale, and we're going to just close the shutters. So see how much space can you make up between those ribs, so you're really trying to stretch them open. It's not about how far over you go, it's about how long you can get on that side. Beautiful. And then just relax, and then we'll take you over onto the other side, and you can do that in your own time. Thank you for joining us today.